Welcome to SPM Physics Simulations Volume 2, a sequel of SPM Physics Simulations Volume 1, which is an enhanced version of this series, based on the latest KBSM syllabus from the Ministry of Education. This volume includes a teacher's guide and 69 simulations in 2 CDs, i.e. Disc A and Disc B, all perfectly packaged in a durable box folder. Navigation buttons are placed for user accessibility in each page. These include Task, Notes, Back, Next, and Home buttons. Task and Notes will be explained further in the features of the simulations. Next and Back buttons allow users to switch simulations from one to another. Home button allows user to return to main menu. In the main menu, user can click on chapter links to open up simulation links. Here, user can point the mouse cursor at the bottom of the page to scroll down the menu and vice versa. Physics Interactive Tools. Each simulation consists of 2 main features. They are the Task and Notes buttons. The Task button refers to the steps on how to use the simulation, while Notes button provides extra information related to the topics covered by the simulation. Simulations in this series feature many strong elements, such as the usage of 3D models, animations, experiments, scientific devices, and calculation-based simulations. The simulation shown here is one of the many scientific devices featured in this product. The device shown is a cathode ray oscilloscope, which allows you to control the parameters fully. At the same time, you can obtain the result instantaneously. You can select the type of current to use. You can also adjust the values of X position, Y position, Y multiplier, and time-based control, as well as voltage and frequency of the power supply to generate different types of waves. Simulation of realistic results. Conventionally, it is difficult to demonstrate the results of certain physics phenomena, such as wave interference, in a physics laboratory. Thus, to help you visualize this phenomenon clearer, realistic experiment results are featured in this series. With the simulation shown on the screen, for example, you can grasp the concept of wave interference easier. In this simulation, you can select the type of wave source and adjust the wavelength of the wave source, as well as the distance between the 2 wave sources. You can also change the view from surface to line view. Again, you see that the results changes instantaneously with the changes you made. Experiment. Experiment-based simulation plays an important role in science subjects because it helps students to visualize the process and show the results in real time. This has greatly made learning physics so much lively and exciting. From the screen, we see an experiment where you need to spread the seeds before placing any 2 of the current-carrying conductors to the correct slots. Then, switch on the power supply and observe the spread of the seeds. Look at how this simple experiment relates to electromagnetism and magnetism. Interactive animation. There are many animations in SPM Physics Simulations Volume 2, like the one on the screen showing wave diffraction. In this simulation, you can adjust the error depths of the allocated regions and the type of borders to observe the different patterns of waves that are diffracted. Likewise, another simulation with animation is the chain reaction of uranium-235 as shown on the screen. In this simulation, you can adjust the speed of the chain reaction. These simulations are incorporated with brilliant animations to encourage you to understand physics concepts through good visualization instead of static text and images found in conventional books. Fully controllable and calculation. What is the use of learning physics without involving formulae and calculations? Realizing the importance of these aspects, simulations in this series are incorporated with these elements as well. As shown in the simulation on the screen, you can change the parameters of charge and energy by dragging the sliders. In an instance, the calculation result is displayed. Thus, in this example, you learn how current and potential difference are related to one another. SPM Physics Simulations Volume 1 is a success, and we promise that Volume 2 will be much better due to the enhancements made. Rest assured that you would get your money's worth when you purchase SPM Physics Simulations Volume 2.